I'm on the phone.
Hello?
Hello.
You know, sometimes we're not prepared for adversity, When it happens, sometimes we're caught short. We don't know exactly how to handle it, Sometimes we don't know.
First, I'd like to ask you a few questions.
That's very important.
Do you know who I am?
I don't know.
Is it true?
I don't know. I don't know.
Are you being coy?
Well, I don't know.
Don't get me mad. We only want to ask you a couple of questions.
Do you know him?
I really